Process Barron designs, manufactures, and does field installation of heavy industrial equipment. We service customers in the pulp and paper industry, the cement industry, the steel industry, the power industry, chemical and petrochemical, mining, and just about all heavy industries.
We provide equipment such as fans, dampers, expansion joints. We have a materials handling division that provides all kinds of conveying systems, which would include screw conveyors, drag conveyors, belt conveyors. As part of those systems, we do ash handling. We do wood and biomass handling.
We've come up with designs, real heavy-duty designs for customers to help them solve operational problems that they've had over the years.
At Process Barron, we are great problem solvers. Whenever we receive a damaged piece of equipment, we have the opportunity to improve this equipment by using the engineering skills and manufacturing skills that we have and make the equipment last longer than what it did previously. But what we don't do is rebuild the same product that came in and send it back out the door.
What makes our equipment so rugged is that we've seen all the problems in the past from other applications, from a wear problem to a performance problem to whatever, where we can keep a customer online and not have forced outages.
We get a challenge here just about every day. Every project's a challenge. These guys have been out in the industry a long time. They've developed and seen things that others haven't. So when we have this problem again, we already know what the solution is because we have decades of experience. You know, it may seem impossible at the beginning, but at the end, we always succeed.
Process Barron is unique in the way we go to market. We offer up total solutions. We can provide a customer with a complete line of equipment that solves his problems.
My name is Philip Davis, and I work for Sunoco Products Company, and I'm the manager of the power plant facility at the Hartsville complex. I've been working with Process Barron for a little over 20 years now. They provided the biomass material handling capability equipment. They were able to provide the ash handling equipment for the new boiler. And they also provided the ID and FD fans for our project. In our bid evaluations for the different equipment for our new boiler project, there were several suppliers that we evaluated. Process Barron wasn't necessarily the lowest cost, but they provided the highest quality. If you go back and look at the specifications that Process Barron provided on the equipment was thicker, the wear material was better, AR400. Sometimes they used ceramic. Sometimes they use chrome carbide tips on the conveyors and the screws for our equipment. In the evaluation, we noticed that the equipment ran a lot slower than some of their competitors, which means that the equipment was going to last longer. We felt that Process Barron provided the highest quality and the best overall value for our new boiler project. Even though that it costs a little bit more money, in the long run, we felt like that it would save a significant amount of money in maintenance and repair costs down the road.
It's our goal to give a customer a piece of equipment that has reduced electrical requirements, that has a better wear life, that will give them longer service with less downtime. And we have the team to do it here.
We can engineer it, we can fabricate it, we can install it, and we can maintain it. We can be a one-stop shop asset to our customers for their problems and projects that they have. Since they're only having to work with one vendor, then they don't have to write multiple specifications. They don't have to manage as many different contractors, whether it's in engineering or whether it's in the field. This provides them a large savings of time and money. Time is what many of our customers don't have with the cutbacks in the industry in today. They need companies like us that can come in and provide multiple products and services such as Process Barron.
One of the benefits that we offer our customers is emergency repair services. If their equipment has broken down, has failed, and they need to get back operational as fast as possible, we can send a field crew to the plant to remove the piece of equipment, and by the time we have it manufactured, our field crew is ready to install the new piece of equipment to minimize the customer's downtime.
Our field service department is on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day, including holidays. Here at Process Bearing, we keep a lot of shaft material on stock for when a customer breaks down in the middle of the night, on a weekend, or a holiday. We have the material here, and we can be finished with the job most times before our competitors can even get the material in to even start the job.
We had a situation where in one of our new package boilers that the fan was grossly oversized, and we needed the boiler for our backup operations for an outage that was coming up, and we couldn't get the equipment to operate as it was designed. We went back to the OEM fan supplier, and they said it would be 4 to 6 weeks before they would be able to come in and resize the fan for us. We contacted Process Bearing. Within 24 hours, they had a service person on site to take field dimensions. Within 3 days, they came in and installed the new fan for us that they had built. It allowed us to provide steam for our operation without any delay.
It's not easy to go out in the field and perform these services. You have people on the road away from their families, but it is a very key to maintaining and making sure that our equipment is installed properly, the customer is happy with what they get, and to us, it provides some of the unique qualities of our company.
I think one of the reasons we've been so successful is that we've been committed to reinvesting in our facilities, our people, our procedures, our quality control, our safety.
We have some very high-tech equipment in this manufacturing facility here. This is a state-of-the-art burning table. It uses plasma technology for the burning. It truly does unique things. It really has helped us minimize some of the manual labor efforts that we did in the shop, things such as grinding and beveling. It's eliminated the need for that. The press brake is another piece of machinery that it's fairly new. It's a very state-of-the-art press brake. It can do multiple bends and the highest quality forming, cutting, and bending services, and it also does it at a much more quality and precision operation. It takes a very skilled employee and worker to operate that machinery to its maximum extent. We have always had employees that are committed to this company and to our efforts. It is what makes our company the success that it is.
Process has always been real good to their employees. They do things for the employees that most companies would not do, and we return that in the fact that we work harder trying to make sure that we keep our customers happy and keep this company growing.
I'm a welder, fitter, lead man. I'm real proud of what we do. If I wouldn't have been here for 33 years. In our industry, it's somewhat unique what we do, and you just don't go and get someone out of school to do what we do. We have to, in our words, grow them. And we will find young people and we will bring them in and we will groom them into our business.
I'm a production manager for Process Bearing and have been for 20 years now. We have a number of welders and fitters here that have been working here as long as 35 years. We have a lot of experience throughout the company. A lot of these guys started out as apprentices, worked their way through training programs and have made it to where they're highly skilled, highly motivated people.
In today's industry, we see a lot of things changing with all the new regulations and compliance laws that we're seeing being passed down. We feel like we are positioned to make a big impact in the future for many different industries, because everyone is going to have to, reduce their carbon footprint. They're going to have to reduce their energy levels, and they're going to have to reduce their greenhouse gases. We can help with solutions to do that.
Process Equipment is located in the southeast United States. We have field service offices in Asheville, North Carolina, and Florence, South Carolina. Our goals for the company in the future is to grow regionally with regional service centers and regional manufacturing centers in different strategic areas of the country. We're leveraging the success we've seen domestically as a total system solutions provider, and we're now offering these services internationally.
I say to customers all the time, we don't want you just to give us the business, we want to earn your business.